model, 2019 Citroen Dispatch Enterprise starts runs needs simple turbo replacement no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 292486. MOT, the 5th of February 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FDUA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo oil seals have worn. Check engine light on the dash. This is a straightforward turbo replacement. Job engine, clutch and gearbox are fantastic. Well-maintained van, straightforward simple turbo bolt-on repair. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, reversing camera, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat S in 2020. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.